Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off the ActiveX installer service on your Windows device. So this tutorial will apply for those running Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. And you want to type in Services. One of the best matches should say Services. You want to left click on it one time to open it up. Now you want to look for a service that says ActiveX Installer. You want to double click on it once you found it from this list. Now if you want to turn it on whenever your computer turns on, underneath startup type you want to click inside this box and set it to automatic. And if you're looking to disable it, click inside the box and set it to disabled. Proceed to click on apply and then OK. I recommend closing out of any open programs or applications you have on your computer at this time. And that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.